Sheikh, can you explain about how Allah puts destiny, Qadr and Qada in a baby in the womb? Okay, this is a very, mashallah, very important hadith. In 40 hadith, the collection of 40 hadith, if you read that, this hadith is very clearly mentioned that when the woman conceives, after 40 days, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there are 3 stages. 40 days, the sperm starts growing, and then the body starts developing the structures. Then another 14 days, the remaining part of the body gets up and structured and becomes like something is formed in like a human shape. And then after that 40 days, another 40 days, the whole structure of the baby is constructed. So within the period of this 120 days, which is 4 months time, the baby is constructed in the womb of the mother. The baby is constructed in the womb of the mother, and then Allah sends down the angel to write the destiny for this person. Allah, makes him male or female. Allah writes his lifespan, how long this person will live. Allah destined its risk, which what risk that is prescribed. Allah destined the nature and the character of the person, good character or the bad character, and this is all done, and then the angel goes. So anything that is happening now, because since you have asked this question about how the Qadr and Qada is done, so I think it is very serious to understand one thing. First of all, anything that is happening in our life, good or bad, whatever it is happening, anything, it's all from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's already destined. It's already fixed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay? But one thing you have to remember. Nobody knows what is actually written for us. So don't blame Allah, that I did this because Allah wrote this. No, don't say that. Because you don't know what Allah has written. You don't know. But 2 things are given to you. First, Allah has given you the knowledge of what is good and what is bad through whatever the sources, whether it is through the religious sources, whether through the academic sources, everything, Allah has given you that knowledge. And the second thing, Allah gave you the choice. Follow that knowledge that is given to you, and then finally the Qadr will come over here, which tells you that this was what it is written. So, like for example, I am thirsty and I've got 3 bottles here. One is water, the other one is poison, the third one is urine. I have got the knowledge. 3 bottles are there, 3 drinks are there. One is water, one is poison, urine. And definitely after drinking any of that, the result will be there. Now, I don't know, and it is already fixed. Maybe I'll drink milk, water, and I will survive. Maybe I'll drink poison and I will die. Maybe I'll drink urine and still I will survive. So I don't know the result, and you don't know. So don't blame Allah. Allah gave you the knowledge. Allah gave you the choice. Allah will not force you to take this and that. Allah gave you the choice. So when you choose one of that, the result is that, and this is called Qadr. So remember that. Everything works like this in your life. Okay.